While the wrapper may look identical, the recipe for Cadbury Dairy Milk in India differs significantly from the one in the UK due to local regulations, climate, and cost strategies. Key differences: India versus UK. As of 2026, ingredient labels for standard bars typically show the following contrasts. Fats. The Indian version often includes vegetable fats, like palm oil or shea, to help the chocolate withstand higher temperatures without melting. The UK version primarily uses pure cocoa butter, though it may contain small amounts of vegetable fats as permitted by UK regulations. Milk. The Indian recipe frequently uses milk powder and milk solids. In the UK, the glass and a half tagline traditionally refers to the use of fresh liquid milk from local sources during the manufacturing process. Cocoa content. UK regulations are generally stricter, requiring a minimum of 20% cocoa solids for milk chocolate. Indian FSSAI standards have historically allowed lower thresholds, though brands often adjust levels for taste. Flavors. The Indian variant may use a combination of artificial and natural flavors, while the UK version often relies strictly on natural flavorings. Why the tweak? Shelf stability. Vegetable fats have a higher melting point, essential for India's tropical climate where refrigeration is not always guaranteed during transport. Affordability. Vegetable fats are roughly 50% cheaper than cocoa butter, allowing brands to maintain low price points, like the 20 Indian rupees bar in a price-sensitive market. Local rules. Different countries have different standards set by authorities like the FSSAI in India and the FSA in the UK. Better chocolate alternatives in India if you are looking for higher quality ingredients or real chocolate. High cocoa butter content. Consider these options available in 2026. Single origin Indian brands. Local craft brands like Mason and Co, Navalona, or Cascade often use organic cocoa and avoid vegetable fats. Mass market high cocoa options. Look for dark chocolate variants like Amul 75% or 99% bitter, which typically contain higher cocoa solids and less sugar. Imported bars. Some retailers stock UK-made Cadbury or European brands like Lindt, which follow EU/UK ingredient standards. The white layer that sometimes appears on chocolate is known as chocolate bloom. It's a harmless surface phenomenon caused by changes in the fat or sugar within the chocolate. There are two main types of bloom. Fat bloom. This occurs when the cocoa butter separates from the cocoa solids and rises to the surface. It is true that many mass-market chocolates are classified more as confectionery than true chocolate due to their high sugar and vegetable fat content. As of 2026, health awareness regarding oral hygiene in India remains a critical issue. Recent studies by organizations like the Indian Dental Association continue to highlight that a vast majority of school-aged children suffer from dental caries and periodontal concerns exacerbated by high-sugar diets. For those looking to switch to healthier, high-cocoa alternatives or try DIY versions, here are some key considerations. Better alternatives. If you are looking for brands with higher cocoa solids and cleaner labels, you can explore The Whole Truth, known for using 100% cocoa butter and sweetening with dates rather than refined sugar. Lindt Excellence. Their high percentage bars, 70% to 99%, offer a significant reduction in sugar compared to milk chocolate. Cascade, an Indian organic bean-to-bar brand that focuses on ethically sourced ingredients. Benefits of high cocoa content flavonoids. Dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa, contains antioxidants that can support heart health. Lower glycemic index. Higher cocoa content generally means less sugar, leading to fewer insulin spikes. Satiety. The richness of dark chocolate often leads to lower consumption compared to
दोस्तों ये वीडियो देखी मैंने ये सेम चॉकलेट मैं 3 ले आया हूँ मैंने तीनों चेक की दो थोड़ी टूट गई है लेकिन तीनों मेरी सही निकली क्योंकि ठीक से स्टोर की गई है लेकिन अगर आपकी चॉकलेट थोड़ी ऐसी निकलती भी है तो डरिए मत ये जो सफेद कोटिंग चॉकलेट पे दिखती है ना इसे कहते हैं चॉकलेट ब्लूम जो दो टाइप के होते हैं पहला फैट ब्लूम जब चॉकलेट गर्म होकर ठंडी हो जाए तो कोकोआ बटर ऊपर आ जाता है दूसरा शुगर ब्लूम जब शुगर मेल्ट होकर ऊपर जम जाता है दोनों ही केस में दिखने में थोड़ी बेकार हो जाती है पर कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है ये चॉकलेट भी बाहर रखी है अभी गर्मी में मेल्ट हो जाएगी मैं वापस फ्रिज में रखूंगा तो ये भी वैसी दिखने लगेगी तो सबसे पहले एक्सपायरी डेट चेक करो देन इसकी टेस्ट और स्मेल देखो अगर सब सही है तो खा लो पर अगर टेस्ट या स्मेल बेकार है तो मत खाओ एंड भाई कोई प्रमोशन नहीं है सिर्फ नॉलेज के लिए वीडियो बनाई है डेयरी मिल्क खाने को मैं मना ही करता हूं बाय द वे आप इनका क्या करो कमेंट में जरूर बताएं
actual cocoa, containing additives like hydrogenated fats and flour, while healthier options focus on higher cocoa content and fewer ingredients, with recommended brands like The Whole Truth, Bon Fiction, Darkins, Chocolate, and Anudama offering better alternatives for those seeking more genuine chocolate, often found by looking for tree to bar or higher percent dark chocolates. Why popular chocolates differ lower cocoa. Milk chocolate, especially in mass market bars, uses cocoa as a flavor enhancer rather than the primary ingredient, with milk solids and sugar dominating. Additives. Ingredients like hydrogenated vegetable fats, potentially trans fats, artificial flavors, emulsifiers, and even flour in wafer-based bars like Kit Kat are used for texture, cost, and shelf life. High sugar and fats. These contribute to the taste and texture but increase calorie density and can lead to blood sugar spikes. Healthier alternatives, as suggested, focus on cocoa. Brands like The Whole Truth and others emphasize high cocoa content, providing more antioxidants and less sugar. Fewer ingredients. Healthier options aim to minimize additives, colors, and preservatives, focusing on natural ingredients. Examples: The Whole Truth, Bon Fiction, Darkins, Chocolate, and Anudama. How to choose better chocolates? Check the label. Look for cocoa solids or cocoa mass as a primary ingredient, with percentages above 70% for dark chocolate. Avoid hydrogenated oils, excessive sugar, and artificial flavors. Explore tree to bar. Search for brands that highlight their bean to bar process, indicating higher quality and control over ingredients, suggests this Instagram post. In summary, while popular brands offer indulgence, they're often candy-like. For a true chocolate experience with potential health benefits like antioxidants, choose options with higher cocoa content and minimal natural ingredients, consuming any chocolate in moderation. Real milk chocolate is a solid confectionery made by combining cocoa ingredients with sugar and milk powder. While real chocolate must contain cocoa butter and cocoa solids, milk chocolate is distinguished by the addition of milk solids, which provides its signature creamy texture and lighter color. Essential ingredients to be considered real milk chocolate. The product must contain these core components: cocoa butter, the natural fat from the cocoa bean that gives chocolate its melting property. Cocoa solids or powder provides the actual chocolate flavor. Milk powder, essential for the milk part. Liquid milk cannot be used directly in solid chocolate because its water content would cause the mixture to seize and spoil. Sugar, standard sweetener used in almost all commercial and homemade recipes. Manufacturing standards, 2026, regulatory standards define what can be labeled as real milk chocolate. United States, requires at least 10% cocoa solids. Europe requires at least 20% cocoa solids, some regions up to 35% for specific labels. India only requires 2.5% cocoa to be labeled milk chocolate, though many premium brands use much higher percentages. How to make real milk chocolate at home. You can create real milk chocolate using the double boiler method to prevent burning. Melt fat. Melt half a cup of cocoa butter in a bowl over simmering water. Add cocoa. Sift in 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and whisk until smooth. Incorporate milk and sugar. Stir in 3 tablespoons of milk powder and 3/4 cup of powdered sugar until fully combined. Cool and set. Stir for 5 minutes off the heat to improve texture, then pour into molds and refrigerate until solid. You're right, big brands like Cadbury Dairy Milk often change recipes globally. The Indian version uses milk powder and vegetable fats, like palm oil, instead of the UK's real milk/cocoa butter. Cheaper ingredients for cost and taste adaptation, leading to different textures, nutrition, and flavors, so always check those ingredient labels for what you're actually eating. Why recipes differ. Cost savings. Using vegetable fats instead of expensive cocoa butter reduces production costs. Local taste preferences. Different markets prefer varying levels of sweetness, richness, or specific flavors. Regulatory requirements. Local food laws influence permissible ingredients and nutritional standards. Key ingredient differences. India versus UK. Real milk, cocoa butter, natural flavors, closer to original recipe. India, milk solids, powder, vegetable oils, palm oil, artificial flavors, cheaper alternatives. The impact. Texture and taste. The Indian version can be less rich and melt differently due to vegetable fats. Nutritional value. The shift from cocoa butter to cheaper fats alters the nutritional profile. What to do? Read the label. Always check the ingredients list on the back of your chocolate bar to understand what's inside. Know your chocolate. Be aware that a familiar brand name doesn't always mean the exact same product worldwide. Choosing between cheap and high-priced chocolate involves a trade-off between affordability and ingredient quality, taste complexity, and ethical considerations. The right choice depends on your priorities. The cheap option for a simple, immediate sugar fix, or the high-end option for a richer, more nuanced experience. Cheap chocolate, e.g., standard Cadbury dairy milk. This option is widely available.